Okay, look at that Betsey Johnson ring. It's an owl for 13. Here's a lip one for 13. That's kind of cool, right? But I like this ring back here, you guys. It's just for funsies, like the XOXO. Oh gosh, look at the owl with the glasses. Okay, that's kind of cool, I think. You gotta love it. It's just so different. A lot of cool stuff, I think.
I just follow the leader.
And then these are, oh gosh, that is not 895, but it has to be like 150, I think. I think these are like 150 in here. Yeah, that one's only 80 bucks. Oh, look at this big one. My husband was looking at these watches and Tilly's. I'm like, dude, you're not like 15 anymore. It was like those G-Shock watches. I'm like, come on. Bella and Jack, this one's 15. Okay, I'm gonna kind of skim through jewelry here. Oh, look at these black, are these black hoops? I was like, I never seen these. These are 10. Be mine. So been finding some Valentines, $13. Here's a heart one for 13 as well. That's 20. And 15 for this blinged out one. Okay. It smells like a Lysol. I think somebody sprayed Lysol in here. Let me look in here real quick. Here's a little layering one for 13. That's kind of cute. These are really cute. The really tiny ones. I think so. Oh, look at this. For 15. Oh, that's cute. Is that turkey? Oh no, I was like, is that turkey? It's like a Buddha. Plenty of Physicians Formula. These are 4. They got like the red shade, your pink one, green goddess. What is this one by Milani? It's $3.50. Oh, it's eye cream, hydrating eye cream. Living Proof, a good brand. Fullness and volume. Hey, it's only $13. Another XOXO one. The heart. You're peachy for 4. Sugar cookie shower gel. Orange pineapple smoothie. And look at this raw sugar. These are $9. Wonder how much they are compared to the ones in Target. And everything here at the tables, they're massage guns. Like, look at that RBX one. $70. Okay, like breast cancer awareness one. Oh, they have a little KitchenAid here. A little Ray Dunn blender. Are you guys tired of seeing Ray Dunn? I mean, if you're not a collector, I totally get it. But she has like kitchen stuff too. Here's a knife for $8. Tons of cloud stuff. They have the SpongeBob. Oh, Curious George. It's cute. Look at this little guy. Kind of reminds me of the Barney character. Here's a tiger. An elephant. Okay, we have Rick and Morty. This one is 20. If you need your Rick and Morty fix. Kind of just skim through here. Kool-Aid Man. Trippy World. Level Up. Just reminds me of Sierra, right? That Sierra song, Level Up. Level Up, Level Up. Something like that. 50 with that polo. This one's really soft by Hippie Rose for 25. And you get the shorts too, so great loungewear. Looks like a Juicy Couture robe. These are 17. Who makes them? Oh, Hurley. That's a good like rain jacket. Kind of looks like it's supposed to be like a leather, but it's not. But it's a good rain one. The brand is Stoosh, I think. Huh. Look at this jacket. Retails for 72, but only 30. Yeah, $72. 35 for that Tommy one. That's $59.99. These look like the ones from Old Navy. and Aerie and H&M that everybody loves. It's 40. Kind of just skim through here. It's crowded. Okay, this one's 50. They do have a heart one, and this one's 50 bucks. Sorry. That is by Cynthia Rowley. $50. Some more Valentine's Day. That's only 13. It's a cute Snoopy one for 8. And look at the rain. It keeps falling down. I've heard that. That's kind of cute. I don't know why. I just kind of think it's cute. And these are 15. 15 for the garland XOXO. And they have one more. These like hug me, love you, kiss me. These are really nice for only $8. $8 and a lovely decanter. I love that. I'll check this one out for 40. It's good for a laptop. If you're in school, it's a good one. Aldo, Madison West. This is their handbag department. It is bare. Jessica is 40. It's a Calvin Klein canvas one, which I think we've seen. Oh, check out this blinged out bag. Who makes it? Maybe Like Dreams? Oh, but it's 25. No, I don't think Like Dreams has anything that's 25. Maybe. No maker on it. It's Calvin Klein one. Large Jessica again. It's a Betsey Johnson large bow. Patricia Nash. Kind of looks like Patricia Nash, but it's not. Tons of Jessica left over, tons. That's the only thing I'm finding. I feel like everyone took all those Steve Maddens, Madden Girl, and the Juicy. We're gonna find tons of Jessica and the graffiti GKNY. There's plenty here. Nobody likes it. Do you guys like it, or you feel like it's too outdated? I mean, if you like it, you like it. It's like, you know how people say don't wear white? I'm like, I'm wearing white, okay? I don't care. After what, Labor Day? Someone at my work tells me that. Don't wear white. Why are you wearing that? I'm like, why do you care what I wear? Let's see. That's a kind of a nice one. Oh, this one's Patricia Nash phone case. I haven't seen this one yet. So 35. Oh, this one's different though. It's not the phone case, more like a little wristlet, and then you get a scarf. Same price as the phone case one, 35. Yeah, she cares what I wear. Like, why are you wearing those shoes? I'm like, because I want to, and they're comfy. If you don't like it, I don't care. I have a neighbor like that, like my neighbor. I don't talk to him anymore. Well, I never really talked to him, but he was like my husband's friend. But he made a comment about like when I walk in the mornings with the dog, why do I dress sluggish? I'm like, why do you care what I'm wearing? Sweatpants and a t-shirt? How does that bother you? I'm not here to look good for you. I'm walking the dog. You know what I mean? And I'm like, why do you care? And then he's all like, how come you didn't drive today? And I'm like, why do you care when I'm driving or not driving? Like, why are you spying on me, you freaking weirdo? I don't know. So I told my husband to stop talking to him. Because he was like literally knowing like every move I make. Like, I didn't drive all week. I'm like, so? Because my husband drove me. I'm like, so? I don't know. It was really weird. I don't know why he cared. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and go, you guys. There is not much to look at here. The line is so long, and the clothing department is pretty much empty. The jewelry is leaving here as fast as it can. Oh, that's interesting. There, to pick this one up. 17. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. Oh, is that a ladybug? What is that, a watch? Can we open that? That's 20. So it says lucky, because you know ladybugs are lucky. Like I just watched Bullet Train. It's kind of silly, but you know, Sandra Bullock's all like ladybug. 15.
She looks really different than that.
Yeah. The hoops are here. Here's a star one for 15 by House of Harlow.